emakhaya. Ngingubongiwe Mavuso, ngisesiphofaneni eVakasha Lodge. Indzawo lensha lesanza kuvulwa. Ngilana ngekuthi nami ngi-invitwe ngobuhle betfu sihambisana neSwatini tourism. Nami nje balaleli ngabe ngicala kufika lana ngiyaqala kubona ngisengangeni nakhathi, but I am so eager to see this place. Kuthi ngabe kwendekani khamba njani. So ngicabanga ukuthi asambeni balaleli nite kutobuka nami kuthi khamba njani.
If you're looking for tranquility among a park-like setting, then welcome to Vakasha Lodge. With outdoor camping, a self-catering accommodation is surrounded by beautiful old trees, lively birds. The gem of Vakasha Lodge has got to be the beautiful Siphofaneni Dam.
Okay, hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm the co-owner of Vakasha Lodge. And this is our place, as you can see, and Vakasha Lodge for us is more family-friendly environment, and we've got a cash bar restaurant that's running. We've got a pool, baby pool and adult pool. So what we offer is on the adult side, it's different. We charge, and we've got a charge of 50 Rand for adults and 25 Rand for kids. And with our restaurant side, we've got an a la carte menu. On the a la carte menu, we offer things like baby chicken, mqwembes, we've got your hake, we've got your prawns, and then we've got like your samosas and your prawn cakes. And then we've got a cash bar that is running. On the cash bar side, as you know, cash bar, you buy cash. So other than that, that's more or less. We've got also a boat ride that we charge 100 Rand for that, and it's about 30 to 45 minutes from the dam. And yeah.
Vakasha Lodge restaurant and bar area overlooks their crystal blue swimming pool. Their restaurant is casual family-style dining. They serve moderately priced food in a casual atmosphere with family-friendly atmosphere.
Okay, this is our reception area, and here by the reception area we've got Kito, who's assisting us with the tills and the bills and everything that's associated with bookings. And you may come through with us to the kitchen area to see more of what we do. Okay, here we're coming into the kitchen, and this is our chef, Morris. He's the one that does the magic in the kitchen, and he's, as you can see, making prawn cakes for us. And then this side we've got Shaya, who's our sous chef. He's the one that does our mixed grills and baby chickens and helps chef in the kitchen. And then this side we've got our waiter, Wendy, who's currently stacking our plates and sorting everything out. She also goes down and assists with our guests who are here. And we can come out and see the side. So on this side is where we normally have our outdoor, where we do our chickens, more on a braai area. So currently we're cooking chickens here.
Lodge is an inn where travelers stay overnight, and it was only fitting that we were invited to stay over since we did travel from Babane to Siphofaneni. In the afternoon, we were served with scrumptious dinner that was meant for kings and queens. Vakasha Lodge serves food that is fair, healthy, and affordable. I know I was pretty stuffed afterwards in a good way though. I will tell you, I'm a lousy cook, but I think I'm a pretty good judge of good meal, and that meal at Vakasha Lodge was impressive. Early in the morning, we woke up well rested from our comfy tents, and we definitely felt safe throughout the night. When camping, you can order breakfast, and breakfast is also served to walk-ins who just want to enjoy serene breakfast with birds chirping.
Our accommodation is basically a lot of camping, chalets. Currently we're building new chalets, but we've got one chalet and a luxury tent, and then we've got dome tents. Our chalet goes at 1,050 per night, sleeps 2, maximum 3 if you come with a kid. Our luxury tent sleeps 4 people. It's got an ensuite bathroom, it's got an outdoor natural shower, and that goes for 1,150 a night. And then our dome tents, which are popular with groups, like for corporate functions, they are 450, and it comes with mattress, it comes with your bedding, a pillow, your sheets, everything. So you basically just bring your body, your soul, and everything's here. Your tent is up, your bed is there. You just enjoy yourself and throw yourself in the mattress and sleep. All right, the choice of camping and why I've actually started camping is it brings, that natural feel. We live in towns, we're always surrounded by bricks, by buildings. Sometimes it's nice to get out there and be surrounded by nature. It's just a piece of canvas between you and the outside, no brick walls. So you can hear every insect at night, every movement at night, and it's just a nice feeling.
Camping is an outdoor activity that involves overnight stays away from home in a shelter, such as a tent. Naturally, campers leave developed areas to spend time outdoors in more natural ones in pursuit of activities providing them enjoyment and experiencing something different.
Where I see Vakasha 5 to 10 years from now, hopefully one of the best lodges in Swaziland. I mean, that's my dream, that's my passion, is doing things like this, being outdoors. So I hope to see it up there. I mean, people from, let's say, our surrounding neighbors, Maputo or Mozambique, should I say, Botswana, Lesotho, South Africa, they must all, when they talk about Vakasha, people must know that, hey, we only know one Vakasha, and that's at Lupo Vanata, Swaziland. I think once you come in here, it's holiday mode. That's how I'd paint it, You don't have to, as I say, cross the borders. Once you enter my gates, holiday mode kicks in, excitement kicks in, adrenaline with the boat rides, the jet skis, the food. We've got a Mozambican chef, lovely cuisine, Portuguese flavors. I think just holiday mode. Outdoors, yeah, as you say, you don't have to go to expensive hotels where you're surrounded by bricks. I go back to that. Here you come, you're surrounded by trees. You can have bonfires, braai at night, sit up until late. I mean, once you leave this place, you're relaxed. You come here with stress, you go out of here with no stress. So yeah, the outdoors, I don't know what happens, but being in the bush is it's like hearing the sound of water. It relaxes your mind, it takes your stress away. I don't know, it's just, yeah, it's lovely. Try it out.
Vakasha Lodge. Restaurant, check. Bar, check. Camping, check. Swimming pool, check. Scenery, check. That can't be all.
Going on a boat ride now. This is what life is about.
You guessed it, Vakasha Lodge has a boat ride through Lubovane Dam that is one of their activities. Vakasha Lodge offers a boat tour that is a short trip in a small boat taken for tourist reasons of Lubovane Dam, typically starting and ending in the same place, and normally of duration less than an hour.
I'm John Mills from Swaziland, born 1981. This is the great Lubovane Dam, one of the, I think, second biggest in Swaziland, if I'm not mistaken. But one of the dams where we get a lot of fishermen, tourists. What brought me here was, I always used to hear people saying there's nothing to do in Swaziland, and people always used to cross the border. So I thought, you know what, instead of complaining there's nothing to do, you know, take it into your own hands. And I built the lodge, and obviously to give people something in Swaziland to do. Lubovane Dam is in Siphofaneni, in the Lowveld. I call it the gem of the Lowveld. It was built for irrigation, a suede project, so it does a lot of sugarcane irrigation and other plants and everything. But yeah, it's based in the Lowveld, Siphofaneni, Lubovane.
Experience the fun that you would get for the speed ride at Vakasha Lodge. Take on the waves and tides as you float along the whizzing and lapping of the Lubovane Dam.
All right, here at Vakasha, we've got boat rides at 100 per head. We've also got a jet ski at 450 per head, but obviously that's piloted by myself for certain safety reasons. It's a newly built lodge. We've only been operating 9 weeks. This is the 9th weekend, and we will put other activities out there. But for now, it's boating. Hopefully when the tree is clear from the dam, we'll be able to do skiing, boating with the tube, pulling people on tubes. But at the moment we can't, because there's still a lot of trees in the dam. And obviously with the right permission from the right authorities, maybe we'll get there to make it a one-stop destination in Swaziland instead of us Swazis crossing borders. We just stay in our own place, supports our economy. I mean, when you hear, it's like when you go back home. I'm from Manzini. When I go back home, it's like I've been to Maputo. That's how I feel every weekend when I go back home. Yeah. Water sports, as I said, skiing, tubing, maybe parachuting, where you pull a parachute. They've got it at Sun City, where you can pull a parachute with the boat, so the people get to see the area from a bird's eye view. I think that's about the maximum water sports you can do. It's the jet skis to give clients it's nice, but it's very dangerous. So I don't think I'd go into it where I'd actually let the clients handle the jet ski.
The view of the shoreline, green scenery, and the dam wall are sure to take your breath away. Get set to be blown away by the speed. Enjoy the adrenaline rush as you traverse the waves and leave your worries behind.
I think the weather brought me here. The nice hot weather. I mean, you have other dams around, but here it's sunny almost all year round. And I mean, the vegetation, the growth, the trees, it's just a lovely place to be. It's a nice big dam as well.
Vakasha Lodge also offers jet skis, fishing, caters for events, weddings, and parties. Make a trip down to Siphofaneni and visit Vakasha Lodge and grab a moment with friends and loved ones away from the hustle and bustle of the concrete jungle and enjoy your time of thrill, exhilaration amidst the Bovane Dam.
Sesihambile babukeli sangena eVakasha Lodge sabona buhlelo bungaka lobu lakhathi eVakasha Lodge sangcebeleka sachazeka ema-activities lakhona makamaningi kakhulu sahamba saye emkhumbini ne-accommodation yinhle salala sadla sa-enjoya saswima kuningi kakhulu lokwenteka nami ngithi angitibongele kubuhle betfu ukuthi bangi-invite ngithi kutobona buhlelo bungaka bendzawo lenhle kangaka eVakasha Lodge. Nani babukeli siyanimema sithi buyani ngemanani enu nite ntobona lobuhle bobungaka balendzawo lenhle kangaka ningcebeleke nemindeni yenu. Siyabonga sesihambile nisale kahle.